I know you've seen this blush all over TikTok. Stays in all night and day. I don't know why you're wearing blush to bed, but don't do that. Is non-transfer proof, smudge proof, buildable formula, has hyaluronic acid and peptides. What else would we need in a blush? I guess we will find out. Okay, packaging. This is amazing. In the shade I Am Guilty Nude Mauve. Oh, I think this is gonna be good. I'm hopeful. Whoa. We're gonna try to do like 3. Oh. First of all, it like blended in seamlessly since it's not a powder, and it gives that like beautiful glow. Obsessed. This is a great everywhere. Let me know if you have this, if you want this, and make sure you stay safe. Mwah!